Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, my name is Himani and welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how I created this fun and trending eye makeup look, but without using any eyeshadows, eyeliners or even brushes. Yes, you heard me right, because I only use my lip liners to create this very beautiful look. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found these tricks and tips helpful. Let me know in the comment section below what other looks would you like me to create. And because you love POPxo and our content so much, we got a surprise for you. What if I told you you could get your hands on all of these amazing beauty products just by signing up for the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off MyGlamm products. The link is going to be in the description box below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.